Okay, this is pretty cool. I have two rubber bands. One I'm gonna put between these two fingers, and then the other one I'm gonna put right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the rubber bands with a little bit of magic. Watch. See that? Pretty cool, eh? So today I'm going to talk about a few things before we start this video. As some of you may notice, this YouTube channel used to be called Walden Wong Inks. I'm changing it to Walden Wong Art. So from here moving forward, this channel is going to be called Walden Wong Art. And the reason for that is because I'm working on creating a website called Walden Wong Art. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff there. So when that launches, I'll post a video and announce it soon. And there's going to be some videos in the future that's going to say Walden Wong Inks. Now the reason for that is because I pre-recorded intros and outros in different locations. So never mind when it says Walden Wong Inks, it's still Walden Wong Art. Okay, and then I also have a Patreon page. I'll add links below. The Patreon page, go over there and support me now. With this Patreon page, I'll post images of things that I don't post in other social media sites. So like work in process pictures. I also have files that you can download and do some inking, and then when you're done inking, post it for me, and then I'll critique the work for you. And check it out on the Patreon page down below. So check this out again, right over here, put it here, just like that. Now if you slow down this video and watch it slowly, you'll see how it performs this magic. So without further ado, here's the start of this video, Walden Wong Art. Welcome back to another episode of Walden Wong Art. So I just got this shipment from DHL shipping carrier, and here's this box. That's, how many pounds is this? This is 18 pounds. Usually I give count boxes and they're smaller, but this is pretty heavy. So let's open this and see what this is. So I'm gonna cut this one here. Take a look at this. So this is, I don't even know what this is. This is Infinite Crisis. So right over here, this is, ooh, look at this. Oh, this is a big book. This is Infinite Crisis Omnibus, okay? There's two of them. I think it's two. So let's open up this one. Yeah. Look at these huge Infinite Crisis Omnibus books. They're pretty big. Put that down. So here's the cover, and here's the back. And then look at that spine. It's about the size of my fist. So it's pretty big. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna flip through some pages, see if we can find some of the pages I worked on. So we have, let's open, so large. Okay, there we go. Not yet, not yet. So, I'm gonna open this up. Okay, let me adjust the camera. It's bulky and heavy. So we're gonna open up that. There we go. The smell of a new book. Actually, not really much of a smell. So we have Infinite Crisis. Here's a dust jacket. Here, remove the dust jacket, and it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna open. This book's heavy. Okay, so this is a comp box that I get. So it's something that I worked on. So we're gonna put this book on the table, and then we're gonna flip through them. So we're gonna look at some of the pages, see if we can find the pages I worked on. Okay, so here's the book. Huge book. Look at the size of my hand in this book. So we're gonna see if we can find my work while flipping through the pages. Here's the front of the book, and let's see if we can. Infinite Crisis Omnibus. Okay. So they're broken up into chapters. We're gonna flip through this quickly so you can take a look at what's inside here. And then if we see, I'm not flipping one at a time, I'm flipping maybe like a few pages at a time. So you guys can check out how this book looks. Let me flip a little faster because this little huge. I don't know how many pages this is. You know what? Let's see how many pages this book is. So this page is page 1,400, and then after that, it's looks like some covers and some. A lot looks like covers. And then on the back, there's also some black and white images. But over here, this is pretty nice. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to see if we can find pages that I worked on. Oh, look at this. Superman and this Shazam. It's gonna be a Shazam movie coming out. Oh, I recognize this cover. Well, we didn't work on this cover, but it's the cover to the book that I worked on. Let's look on the insides. Yep, there I am. Right over here. The last drink at the end of time. And then here's me right over there. And then here's some of the pages that I worked on. Some of the pages I made. Oh yeah, Eclipso, the female version of Eclipso. I remember working on this one. This was a while back. The female Eclipso. Okay, I think this is Ragman over here. Yeah, this is Ragman. Here's a side like double page spread sideways here that I worked on. Some of the work that I've done for DC One. I did Detective Chimp right over here. Let's see. Okay, was that it? Yep, I worked on these pages. Oh, right here. Oh, these pages too. Okay, here's more pages from here. Very nice. It's the Spectre right over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Get a closer look. Okay, so we have more. Who's this character? Blue something. I forget. Blue Devil, that's his name. Okay. Here we go. I think that's it for my section. And this is someone else. Let's see if there's more. Let's see this move a little bit more. Not my work here. Don't know who worked on that. Oh, here's my work again, right here. Right over here. Oh, there's like 2 sections in this book. Not bad. Oh, Shazam. Oh, I remember working on this page. Well, all the faces. This one took a little bit of time. Yeah, all these little heads right over here. Look at that. Look at all those little heads. Took a long time. I mean, even though it was long, I was grateful that these characters didn't have eyeballs, like irises and pupils. So I was grateful for that when I was working on that. Okay, let's look some more here. No, I think I remember these pages. Yeah, a while back. I think some collector contacted me and asked me to sell them all the pages. Like it was like 11 or 12 pages, I think. Okay, let's fast forward. Oh, I worked on this one here. This one also. Oh yeah. So this was Day of Vengeance. It was a few issues that I worked on. So here's more of my work. Ragman, Shazam, Blue Devil, Detective Chimp. Forget her name. So more of my work here. Look at that. You can pause the video to take a better look. More here. Okay, we have. Let's see. More. A big chunk. Let's see it right here. Yep. Also, that's me again. Well, I have a big part on this book, like a big chunk. Nice to see so much of my work in the omnibus. Let's flip through. Oh, that's someone else, not me. It's funny, like they list the credits in each section, like a page like this. It's not listed in the front. Usually, credits they're drawn in front, but in the front it's just a forward, and it moves on to the first section, and it keeps going on to the other section with the credits over there. So I'm going to fast forward here. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Very nice. Another artist. Maybe those few pages, those few issues from Day of Vengeance was. Oh, I recognize this cover. This is one of the books I worked on. Yep, right over here. So the Day of Vengeance. I think they broke up the Day of Vengeance in order of the crisis that was happening. So Infinite Crisis, there was different orders, so they probably put that in time order. So that's why the miniseries that we worked on was broken up. Hawk and Dove, right over here. Dr. Fate. Oh yeah, this is a nice double page spread. You have to flip the book this way. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. This is the top, and then you continue working on this, and then here's the bottom. And then the cool thing about this, the bottom had all these little headshots of these characters. This was fun to work on. So all those right over here. Very nice work. Okay, put this book back down. Okay, to see some more of the pages right over here. Yeah, I remember working on these pages. A lot of fun. Some of the rubbles, it took a while. Oh yeah, I think I remember this page. This page, Pencil made a mistake on it, and there was a patch here. And these panels were like taped onto the larger page. I remember that. Okay, Kirby Crackle. Okay, remember. So more of these pages here. Okay, this was fun how there was stars in the background, and then it transitions to some of the blacks here. Oh, I like the way this Dr. Fate looks. Yeah, I thought that turned out pretty good. So we're gonna turn here. A lot of details. Okay, more here. Oh, look at this. So Kirby Crackle that created a face right over here. This is a fun technique. Yeah, some of the let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Look at that. The Kirby Crackle, some white crackles, white circles that form the face over there. That was a fun project to work on. Okay, let's see. A lot of work. Well, that's probably the last of it. Let's see if there's any more. Let's flip some more. Yeah, let's just flip a little bit more. Okay, so going further. Yeah, I think that's probably all the pages that I worked on in the book. It's a pretty good amount. I remember working with that particular artist. He would do like a lot of black panels. So it's probably like some of these. Yep, see, you can kind of tell the pages that are darker. Those are the pages that I worked on. Because I remember he would ink all the pages. And then like you see some of these other artists, they'll have like a white panel border, but I would be filling in blacks on the panel border. I remember doing that, and that took a little bit of time. So let's see if it's true. So it's right here. Yep, those are my pages. So I just look for the black ones, the black edges like that. Yep, right over there. Yeah, look for the darker ones. So I'm flipping through right over there. See the black panel borders? Black panel borders. Okay, that's probably the same page. Black panel borders. So there you have it. Oh, this is. Here, let me flip this backwards so you can see how the back cover looks. Okay, here's the book, and then this is the dust jacket. Okay, so let's put this. And there you have it. That's the Infinite Crisis Omnibus. Right over here. Okay, so if you want to get a copy on your own, I added links below that you can order some. And then here's the dust jacket. And then I'm gonna put this back to this heavy book like that. Oh, look how big that is. Look at that. Too heavy to handle. Oh, I don't know. There you go. Infinite Crisis. Links below if you want to order a copy for yourself. Support me on Patreon. Please smash that like button if that's something that you're into. And if you have, what else should I say? Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. And please share. Until next time, have a good day, and hope you get to check out this Infinite Crisis Omnibus.